Imagine a place on Earth so remote that the nearest humans to you are not on land, but in space. Yes, you heard it right. Point Nemo, located in the vast South Pacific Ocean, is the most isolated spot on the planet. But why does no one talk about it? And why is it important? Let's dive into the mysteries of Point Nemo, the spacecraft cemetery of Earth. Point Nemo is located in the South Pacific and is officially known as the oceanic pole of inaccessibility. This spot is nearly 2,700 kilometers away from the nearest landmass, so far that there's literally no sign of life. To put it into perspective, the closest humans to this point aren't on Earth, but usually astronauts on the International Space Station orbiting above. Just think about that. This spot is surrounded by the islands of Ducie Island, Motu Nui, and Mar Island, but none of them are close enough to be visible. This area is a dead zone, with little to no marine life because it's too far from nutrient-rich currents. Now, here's the crazy part. Point Nemo is not just a remote place. It's also a graveyard, specifically for old spacecraft. When satellites and space stations are no longer functional, space agencies need a safe place to crash them. And guess what? Point Nemo is the go-to spot. Due to its extreme isolation, this area is considered the safest for crashing defunct satellites and space stations, far away from any human activity. So, why is Point Nemo so lifeless? For starters, it's in the middle of nowhere. But there's more to it. This part of the ocean is deprived of essential nutrients, making it inhospitable for most marine life. The closest thing you'll find here is passing ships or space debris falling from above. This area is so isolated that it wasn't even discovered until 1992, using advanced computer simulations to pinpoint the most remote location on Earth. And if that wasn't eerie enough, Point Nemo has inspired a lot of mysterious stories. In fact, famous horror author H.P. Lovecraft mentioned a fictional underwater city called R'lyeh, which coincidentally is located very close to where Point Nemo is today. It's led many to speculate if this eerie, remote place has more secrets lurking below. Now you might be wondering, why should we care about a place so remote? Well, Point Nemo symbolizes how connected, yet distant, different parts of our planet are. It's a reminder of the impact humans are having even in the most untouched corners of the Earth. The amount of space debris being dumped here raises questions about how we're treating our planet and our oceans. As we continue to explore space, it's important to also think about how we're leaving our mark on places like Point Nemo. Let me know in the comments, did you know about Point Nemo before this video? And what do you think about space junk being dumped here? Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating content like this. See you in next time.